If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am super happy to introduce you to the Isabella bag, a petal sewing pattern. Isn't she beautiful? This is such a Brandy size bag. I just love this so much. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So you can see there's all these amazing decorative elements to the bag. I just love these connectors that kind of come up on an angle on both the front and the back. On the back, you will see there is a zipper pocket with an overlay here. We do have crossbody connectors, the crossbody straps on the inside, a recessed zipper. Now, what I like about this is the openings on the side here. You could definitely put in like your Stanley or your coffee mug or what have you in there, and it would stick out just perfectly. And there's our crossbody strap. And then look how big and wide she opens up. So this one we have two slip pockets on one side and a zipper pocket on the other. But seriously, look how roomy that is. I am just in love with this bag. This is a great bag where you could do some color blocking if you wanted. If you wanted there to be multiple colors, like these accents could be a color, this could be a color. There's just so much that you could do with this bag. I think she is the perfect size. She's a medium to a large bag. And look at this. Ah, how pretty is that bottom? Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of the Bagmakers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.